In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and use the Slack for Gmail integration to share emails directly into Slack channels or DMs. To get started, open the Directories section in Slack, then go to the Workspace menu to manage integrations and settings. Navigate to the Apps section from the Tools sidebar and search for integrations related to Gmail. Select the Slack for Gmail app from the search results. If you'd like to browse more options, use the Browse Apps link to return to the full app list. Next, review and authorize the necessary Google account permissions to enable Slack to work with your Gmail. Switch between your browser tabs as needed after authorization to continue with the setup process. Open the Apps section again and use the search field to confirm your integration or find other tools. In Gmail, select your inbox to view messages. Then click Connect to Slack in the side panel to begin linking your accounts. If you encounter an authorization error, use your browser's back button to retry or fix the issue. Once the integration is ready, select a Gmail message and add an optional note before sending it to Slack out. You can search for a different Slack channel or DM and customize your message before sending. Finally, click Send to share the email and your note instantly into Slack. You've just learned how to share Gmail emails to Slack. Give it a try in your own workflow.